Hi, my name is Wayne. Welcome to my cab, the Terminator. People are just shocked. I mean, a lot of people don't see custom trucks. They just don't understand, and they're like, wow, what's that? We got our DVD player in here, so we can watch the Terminator when we go to the truck shows. Stars, we got stars. Romantic stars. Nice fancy red curtains with all my little white frilly bits. Very nice. We've got a nice 10-inch subwoofer in there, which will rattle the wagon. Here we got our company logo. We've adopted this from the Harley Davidson sign. I hope he doesn't sue us. Got a custom white leather interior with our J. Davidson crest there, which looks absolutely stunning. Sorry, I just found some dust. You get a bit obsessive about dirt because it's white. You go mad. You're cleaning every time you stop. It's air freshener. This is the cleaning cupboard. There's all my rags. They should last me about a week. More polish. The white interior. Bad idea. Very bad idea. But it's worth it. People look at it. People talk about it. People are amazed by it. It's done its job. Another idea. I don't think I'd like to do another one. This is mine. So it's like when people make films and do that sort of thing, the first one's always the best. Hasta la vista, baby.